Materials: pencil, eraser, ruler, Sharpie, and your big paper. Start by drawing your horizon line in the very center of your paper. The horizon line is where the Earth appears to meet the sky. Next, you need to add one vanishing point. We are putting ours in the very center, but it could be anywhere on the horizon line. A vanishing point is where parallel lines appear to meet. Now draw a square in the upper left area of your paper. Your square should be 2 to 3 inches on each side. I like to get ready for the next step by circling the corners that I can connect to the vanishing point. Now use your ruler to draw a line connecting each of those 3 corners to the vanishing point. Do not draw lines from corners that would go across the front of the square. You will only see those edges if your box is made of glass. Now draw a parallel back edge on the right. Your back edge should be vertical just like the front. Then draw a parallel edge on the bottom. It should be horizontal just like the front edge. Finish your work by erasing the 3 strings that connect your box to the point, going over your box in Sharpie and adding shading if you like. This time our box is going to be on top of the horizon line. Half should be above and half should be below. Make it about 3 inches on each side once again. Connect those 2 left corners to the vanishing point in the center of the paper. Remember, we don't draw lines from corners that would start on top of the square, so the 2 right corners do not have lines. You have 1 parallel back edge to draw on the left-hand side. Then you're done. Erase the extra lines as well as the horizon line showing through inside of the box. Add Sharpie and shading if you want. The third box is going to be in the lower right corner, and it'll look a lot like the box above it, only in reverse. Start by making your square or rectangle 2 to 3 inches on each edge. Connect 3 of the 4 corners to the vanishing point in the center of the paper. Remember, we're not going to do that 4th corner because then our box would be see-through. Now make a parallel top edge that's horizontal and a parallel right edge that's vertical. Your box is complete. Trace over the edges in Sharpie, get rid of the extra lines, and add shading if you like.